Hello everyone, welcome to our chapter Biological Classification. The chapter Biological Classification, in this module we are discussing the kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi is classified into mainly four groups. The four groups are Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. First of all, we are discussing Phycomycetes. Phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitat and also it's seen in the decaying wood and damp places. Okay, they are obligate parasites. The mycelium is aseptate. Aseptate means no cross section. And cenocytic. Cenocytic means more than one nucleus is present. Asexual reproduction takes place by zoospores. Zoospores are motile spores or by aplanospores. Aplanospores. These aplanospores are non-motile. These spores are endogenously produced in sporangium. Endogenously means inside. Sporangium means spore forming structures. The process is known as sporogenesis. A zygospore is formed by the fusion of two gametes. Zygospore is formed by the fusion of two gametes. If these two gametes are isogamous, isogamous means morphologically similar. And if gametes are dissimilar, it may be anisogamous or oogamous. In case of human reproduction, the male sperm and the ovum fused to form a zygote. On that way, here the fusion of two gametes result a spore. The name of the spore is zygospore. Clear it is? So, Phycomycetes is the first branch of kingdom fungi. They are found in aquatic habitats. Okay, these Phycomycetes are commonly known as bread mold. Phycomycetes are commonly known as bread mold. Okay, and the hyphae are aseptate and also cenocytic and are seen in the aquatic habitat and decaying wood and damp places, and they are obligate parasite. Then the mycelium is aseptate and cenocytic. The asexual reproduction takes place by the zoospores. Zoospores are motile or by the aplanospores. Aplanospores. Okay. Aplanospores are non-motile. The spore forming structures are known as sporangium. These zoospores and the aplanospores are the endospores. That means the spores are formed inside. Okay. The spore forming process are known as sporogenesis. In case of sexual reproduction, these two gametes are fused, okay, and result in the product that is known as zygospore. The gametes are either isogamous, that means morphologically similar, or anisogamous or oogamous, that means morphologically dissimilar. Example for this group, this Phycomycete group is Rhizopus. Rhizopus means bread mold. Bread mold. So this group is commonly known as Phycomycetes, also known as bread mold. Rhizopus. R-H-I-Z-O-P-U-S. Okay. And another example is Albugo. Albugo. Albugo is commonly caused diseases in mustard. Okay. Kadigilakka disease varuthathu. Albugo. A-L-B-U-G-O. Clear it is. I hope you will understand the group Phycomycetes. Then the next is Ascomycetes. Next one is Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes are commonly known as sac fungi. S-A-C. Sac fungi. Okay. And these are multicellular and also unicellular organism also seen in them. Saprophytic decomposers. My mycelium is branched and septate. Mycelium is branched and septate. The ascomycete groups lives in marine, freshwater and terrestrial habitat. Asexual spores are conidia. We discussed conidiophores in the previous classes. So conidia is an example for the exogenous spores. Exogenous spores means the spores are produced on outside. Okay, so the asexual spores are conidia. And the conidia germinate to form a new mycelium. Conidia germinate to form new mycelium. The sexual spores are known as ascospores. Sexual spores are known as ascospores. This ascospore forming structure. Okay, ascospores ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന structuresനെ വിളിക്കുന്ന പേരാണ്. Plural it is asci and singular it is ascus. Clear it is. These ascus are arranged in different types of fruiting body that is known as ascocarp. Again I am repeating ascomycetes. Ascomycetes is otherwise known as sac fungi. The example for this group are yeast. Yeast is an example for this group. Okay, and these organisms are saprophytes, decomposers, parasites and coprophilous. Coprophilous means they live in the cow dung. Okay, that's known as coprophilous. Then both the unicellular and the multicellular fungus are seen in this ascomycetes group. Okay, asexual reproduction takes place by the exogenous spores, that is known as conidiospores. These conidiospores are exogenous spores. Okay. Then the sexual reproduction takes place by the ascocarps. Sexual reproduction takes place by the ascocarp. Okay, so ascocarp. What is ascospore? The sexual spores are known as ascospores. Ascospores are arranged in a sac-like structure that is known as ascae. These ascae are arranged in different fruiting bodies known as ascocarp. Sexually produced ചെയ്യുന്ന സ്പോർ ആണ് ആസ്കോസ്പോർസ്. ആസ്കോസ്പോർസ് കാണുന്ന പ്രത്യേകം സാറ്റലൈറ്റ് സ്ട്രക്ചേഴ്സ് ആണ് ആസ്കി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആസ്കസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ആസ്കസുകൾ ക്ലസ്റ്ററായി കാണുന്ന ഫ്രൂട്ടിംഗ് ബോഡീസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് ആസ്കോകാർപ്പസ്. Okay, actually Malayalam prohibited for taking you, but for I know that you have some confusion in this topic. That's why I discuss you in Malayalam. So ascospores, ascus, then ascocarps. Okay, the example for this group is Aspergillus, Claviceps and Neurospora. Mainly you point in your the examples which seen in your textbook. So your textbook having 3 examples: Claviceps, Neurospora, Aspergillus. And previously one example we already told that is yeast. Okay, so this Claviceps, this Neurospora is used for the biochemical and the genetic laboratory. The Neurospora is used for the biochemical and the genetical work. Got it? And the yeast we used for brewing and the baking industry. We used the yeast. Scientific name of yeast is Saccharomyces. Saccharomyces is the scientific name of the yeast. Again repeating the examples. Saccharomyces. Saccharomyces means yeast. Then Aspergillus. Okay. Then the next one is Neurospora. Neurospora is extensively used in biochemical and the genetical work. Then the another example in this group is Penicillium. What is the name of the first antibiotic? First antibiotic is penicillin, discovered by Alexander Fleming from the fungus Penicillium notatum. So that Penicillium organism included in the group Ascomycetes. Clear it is?